Over time, the impurities and chemicals in water build up in the steam vents and on the sole plate of your iron as calc or scale. Regular calc cleaning is advised to prevent calc from damaging your iron and your clothes. Philips system irons are easy to maintain. Just follow these simple steps. First, make sure the iron is off or has cooled down completely. This usually takes 2 hours. Remove the iron from the base. Remove the water tank if it is detachable. Unscrew the calc clean rinse knob. Empty out all the water. Fill the water tank again with about 400 milliliters of fresh water. Hold the base with both hands and give it a good shake. Empty the dirty water again into the sink. You may want to repeat this process to ensure your iron is properly cleaned. Screw the calc clean rinsing cap back on tightly and put back the calc clean rinse flap. It is advisable to use the calc clean function every 2 weeks or whenever you see calc flakes on the sole plate. You are now ready to iron.